go again.
Okay.
Hello again. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong kung sa question na how can we purchase Quantum Mint Plus? Okay, ayan. As I said a while ago, ang ating Quantum Mint Plus for abroad ay yung ating 60 ml. Okay. Now, ang 60 ml, ang cost niyan sa Philippines ay 1,388. Okay? 1,388 yan sa Philippines. So, roughly, kung i-divide mo yan, sabihin mo nang by 43, standard na lang mo natin sa 43, ang isang bottle po ay pupuntang $32.5. Okay? Now, ito ho ay 1 bottle. Now, ang shipping po niyan, okay, ang shipping and handling through EMS, okay, or express mail service, yan, express mail service ay nasa 888 pesos. Ito ho kasi, this is the minimum amount ng EMS service sa Philippines. So, minimum siya. So, regardless, kahit na isang bottle lang ang binili mo, babayaran mo pa rin sa EMS service ay 888 pesos. Okay, now, kung bakit ko pinupush yung minimum of 6 bottles, okay? Dahil, at least pag 6 bottles ang binili ninyo, okay? Ang binili ninyo, papasok po siya sa freight and shipping na 2,500 pesos sa EMS. Okay? Okay. So, 6 bottles. Pag 6 bottles ang binili ninyo, parang ano lang mo siya, 32.5 times 6. Ganun din. Okay? Ang babayaran nyo na freight and shipping ay 2,500 or more or less $58. Now, ang kagandahan nung kasi nito, from 6 bottles to 20 bottles, okay? From 6 bottles to 20 bottles, parehas po ang babayaran ninyong shipping nasa 2,500 pesos din po or nasa $58. Kasi ano siya, nasa weight, kumbaga, abot ng 1 kilo. Okay? So, kung gusto ko ninyo makatipid, you can either choose to buy 6 bottles up to 20 bottles, depende kung ilang bote ang gusto nyong bilhin na Quantum Mint Plus. Ang freight and shipping niya, pare-parehas na $58. So, makakatipid ho kayo dito sa 6 bottles to 20 bottles. If you would like to purchase more than 20 bottles, okay, you could do so, pero syempre, ang mangyayari niyan, aakyat na yung freight and shipping cost niya. Okay? But for starters, for those who would like makatipid sa freight and shipping, mas advantageous sa inyo ang bumili ng minimum 6 bottles to at least 20 bottles. Okay? So, ito yung amount ng per 60 ml bottle natin. Okay, now, on how to purchase, you could purchase your products, okay, by, una, you could pay through Western Union. Okay, Union. Okay, all you have to do is, I will email you my details and then you can send the amount to me. Okay, second, you can pay through PayPal, direct payment. Direct. Ibig sabihin, if you have a PayPal account, you can directly pay me to my PayPal account. Direct payment. Yun nga lang, you have to add $10 because PayPal charges $10 for direct PayPal to PayPal payment. Or you could do number 3, which is purchase from our Etsy website. Yun yung pag pumunta ho kayo sa quantummintplus.org, dun sa right side, makikita niyo nakalagay doon, purchase here. Kung international buyers would like to purchase directly from Etsy, you could purchase it there. Okay, ang kagandahan kasi pag nag-purchase din kayo sa Etsy, meron kayong record. May record kayong makukuha doon. Okay? Now, that is number 2 and number 3, you can do if you have a PayPal account. Kung may PayPal account kayo, you could pay through PayPal. Kung wala kayong PayPal, you could pay through Western Union, or you could pay through bank deposit. Okay? Yan. Bank deposit. So, mamili ho kayo kung ano yung pinakamalapit na bank na meron sa inyo. We have accounts in Metrobank, we have account in BDO, we have a Union Bank account. Yan. We also have RCBC, Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation bank account. Okay? So kung ano yung pinaka-convenient sa inyo rito na bayaran yung order ninyo, just tell us so. Pwede nyo kaming contact directly sa email, okay? Doon sa quantuminworld@gmail.com. Okay? So, yan po yung on how to purchase yung product. Now, sa question na on how would you become a distributor, okay? As of now, ang distributors natin are selling it through direct selling, especially in countries outside of the Philippines. Okay? Normally, we will ship it to you at the amount of 1,388. Okay? That is the selling price. In your area, you can sell it at the amount that you would like. Okay? Nasa inyo ho yan kung gaano ninyo papatungan yung amount na yan through direct selling. Okay? As of now, what we are doing is introducing Quantum Plus sa labas ng Pilipinas. Okay? So, once we have already introduced this in your area, yung baby ko makulit. And, pag natapos na ho yung papers natin, because we are also processing also our international selling paper. Okay? Para pag matapos na yun, free-flowing na pagbebenta natin sa area ninyo. By that time, you have already introduced Quantum Plus in your city, in your area, in your country. Okay? So sa ngayon, that is how we do it. We are going to send the product to you and you are going to use it or sell it to your friends, to your neighbors, okay? Your loved ones, at the price of your choice. Basta ang kuha nyo sa amin, ang direct selling price namin ay 1,388. Okay, if you have other questions, please feel free to email us. Kung gusto nyo magpa-quotation, okay, sabihin niya lang po sa amin kung ilang bottles ang gusto nyo bilhin, kung saan country ipapadala, just email it to me and I will send you the quotation kung magkano po yung amount na babayaran ninyo. Okay? So, I wish nakita nyo kung paano kayo mas makakatipid pag in bulk ang bibilhin ninyo, makakatipid kayo sa shipping and handling. Thank you very much and I hope to see you soon.